how you doing? We finally made it in late last night via our expensive rental car, but I was a little late for work, but not much, no more than usual. And you know, as we were driving in, I was listening to a scanner and everything, so technically I was at work and I had all my equipment with me, so we could peel off and get something if it was really important. But yeah, I worked a full shift, night shift, and I'm tired. Hence, I got my coffee to get me home. Coffee. But I guess I would say I'm not much more tired than a normal Monday, because I usually don't get much sleep the changeover. So I'm gonna go home and go to bed and get at least a little bit of a nap before we have to return this car. You know, this expensive one-way rental. Ugh. But yeah, and then you know, the Navion is still in Greenbrier, Arkansas. Really nice people down there. And I guess the plan is that when it's fixed finally, I'm going to fly down there most probably and pick it up and drive it back. So I'm planning a couple of days off for that. Hopefully I can do it. And yeah, so whew, it was a really good vacation despite the problem. And you know, you just take it all in stride, and it's a good experience for the next time. And we will we definitely made some memories, and you know, that's how you really take it in stride. It's like it's all worth it when you build those memories, because you can't take away memories. And so yeah, it's good to be home though, and I'm happy to be back, getting back into my routine. Although I tell you, the worst part of a vacation is the day you go back to work and you're so discombobulated. I don't know where all my stuff is. I cleaned my work car out, and so I'm missing everything. Missing the power inverter. I know where it is. It's at the house. I was hoping to use it for the trip, but that became too much. I'm glad I didn't grab all that stuff. But I left it at the house, and so I needed it for my batteries to be charged. Two of them were about half, and one was like 80%. So that wasn't very good, and then I ended up worrying about that and turning the camera off between live shots and everything. So, and I really needed it this morning because we had some big news, and they wanted wall-to-wall coverage on it, and so when you have to worry about that stuff, it's not a good thing. And I'm missing my light stands, and so I got to go find that stuff. My earbuds, I don't know where they went off to. And it's like this every time I do a trip. When I come back, I am just so, it's like the worst day to work with me, because I'm just like so out of my routine. I don't know where anything is, and yada yada yada. So when I wake up, when we turn this car in, I got to go home and sort through my stuff and get all the important things and put them back to where I can take them tomorrow and put them in the car where I need them. But yeah, it was a good trip. That's what I can say.